Today we are making winter comfort food, Tartiflette Duo. So Classic Tartiflette and Duck Confit Tartiflette. Let's dig in. So we start to cook the potatoes in cold water, salted, for about 15 minutes. You chop a big onion, and we start with the duck. So you take your duck leg, you remove the bones and skin, and you keep the skin on the side. So you will crisp the skin in the pan, add onion, the meat, potatoes, and then deglaze with white wine, a bit of cream, and you mix and transfer to oven dish. You take half of a Reblochon and you crown it. Classic, easy. Lardons, sizzle for 1 minute. You add the rest of the onion, the potatoes, splash of white wine, spoon of cream, oven dish, and you crown it again with the Reblochon. You bake both for 10-15 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. And boom, look at this, very golden, it's ready. So you have two tartiflettes, both bubbling, cheesy, insanely good. Which one are you grabbing first?